everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to April's edition of Smash That Small Paper Pad. This is a collaboration that I'm doing and it's hosted by Deb Howe from Deb Hough's Crafty Cottage, and there's a whole bunch of people that will be listed below in the description box that is participating, so it would be great if you could go over and check out their videos as well. So what this is we pick a different paper pad, or sometimes two, to smash. And I had hoped to really smash this one. This was an A5 pad called Little Meow that I got a long time ago from my friend Gareth Frewer, who has created Homa G. And it was just so cute. It's Little Meow. And so I thought I would try to get some, things done with it. I have been hoarding it for a long time. So I have a few little pieces of scraps here that I'll be using, but it's really pretty paper, and it's just with kitty cats and stuff, and they're cute. I like these kind of kitty cats. I'm a dog person, but I have nothing against cats, but yeah, so I have this many left. Had like 48 sheets in it, and so I did half of them. I got 24 left. So let me show you what I created. I did a few things. Like I said, not as much, but I did one project, and I had a bunch of scraps left, so I made a little card with the scraps, and I just left it blank on the inside for the moment. But I thought it was really cute. It came out really cute. So I just took some of the little scraps and put them on the card front. And then, kitties like to play with yarn. So I took some yarn and outlined it. Then I made a little yarn ball here. And then I just put a little white bow down here at the bottom. And I thought that was really cute. And then I made a couple baby cards for some friends. And I don't have the embossing folder with me, but it's like the sweater embossing folder. And this says, "Welcome, little baby." And so what I did was I put the papers in the embossing folder and, emboss those. Have it backed up on a little pink piece of paper, and then this really pretty pink and lavender in the background. And then I used the stamp set from Neat and Tangled, and it's called Welcome. I have that in front of me. It's this one right here. And on this one, I just put Welcome. And then on the inside, I did do the inside, and I just put To the World, Sweet Baby. And I did that one, and then I did one with the blues on here. I put little bows and little rhinestones on this one, and then these have little duckies that I colored. And I did the same basic thing, just use the embossing folder on them, and then cut them apart. And I put Welcome to the World, Sweet Baby on that one as well. So those are 3 cards that I did. I actually did more cards. Now, I received this die to try by Queen & Company, and I did a whole video on it, but I went a little further and created some things with it. So the first one I did was this little bag. Well, I did this little bag right here, and this is really cute. And what that die is a pocket die for the front, and you can put your little card in there. So I made this little card, and it just says thanks, and it's got a little kitty cat on it. And on the inside, I just lined it with a little piece of the pattern paper left over, and then the card just kind of slides into here, like this. This is not the most sturdiest paper that I use. And then it has a little tab at the bottom that holds your card in there. And I thought that was really cute. It's a cute way to give a gift, and then have a little card too. And then this is the first one I did. I was looking around for paper bags, and I couldn't find them at the moment, but I had a Starbucks bag, and that's what this is. And so I made this. This is just a piece of 8 by 11 paper here, and then I did the little frame thing out of this one of these papers from the line. And then I made this little card here. I thought it was really cute. And all I did was I had some of the scraps, and I fussy cut the hearts out of them and put them here. And then I just put the, it says thinking of you, and have a little butterfly on it. But I just love that little kitten space down there. And this really does make a nice little way to present your gifts or whatever. So, I did that one. Now, I thought, okay, this is a bag, and I'm going to make it a loaded bag to give out somewhere. And so, I created this one. Now, this is a bag just like the other Starbucks bag. What I did was I took 2 sheets of the paper line, this green one and this one, and then I put a strip, like a band, going across the bottom of it. And then this is actually another paper bag. It's one of these little Starbucks bags like this. And I just covered it up with a piece of yellow paper. So I'm creating like a loaded envelope, but a loaded bag. And I just thought this was a cute idea. So I made the little card, thinking of you. And the inside's blank, and then I just used this colorful paper I had right here. And then, so you have a pocket here, and then of course you have your big pocket there. Then you turn it over, and I made this one myself. Now, I did not use the die, because on my video when I was showing how to work the die and everything, I wanted to create something that somebody could do if they didn't have the die. So I made my own little template. I just measured and cut a little slit there, and then I just put a little front on it, and then you have this little pocket right here that you can stuff, small things in, like the little tag I made. And then you have this another pocket right back here. But not only that, I glued a piece of paper here. Let's see, if you have something tall, you could stick some little treats down there too. So lots and lots of space here for just a loaded bag. And I just thought that was kind of cool. So that's my own creation. I was just playing around and thought, well, I could do a lot with this. And so, yeah. So I used up quite a bit of my paper on this right here. So I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, and then I made 2 regular gift bags to go with them, with the toppers, and then 1 loaded bag. And I'm really tickled about how this turned out. So that's my projects for this month. Please go check out all the other participants that will be listed below in the description box, and show them some YouTube love. And I will be back next month with the rest of this gone. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining. Make sure if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you do so by clicking that subscribe button, and don't forget to tap the bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Maybe. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you all soon. Bye.